I wonder what should I do today eating cheeseburgers. What? What was that noise? Was the house on fire? Or did someone call the cops? Where's it coming from?
It was me.
Caillou, was that you made the noise?
Well, yes! I made the siren noise for fun.
But I don't understand how or why you made the siren noise, and I hate it.
Oh, alright then. I will keep making the noise when they are coming.
Caillou, stop making the ambulance siren noise. It's getting annoying. What did I say? Stop it! Caillou, if you keep making the ambulance siren noise one more time, I will slap you and ground you. Oh, that's it.
Ouch! Why did you slap me?
That's because you made the annoying ambulance siren noise in front of me, and for making the ambulance siren noise not in front of me, you are grounded until Easter. Go to your room right now. And be ashamed of yourself, and I will tell your mother about this when she gets home. There. I ground you. So Caillou is grounded, and he's going to my room. Caillou. Caillou, what happened?
Well, classic Caillou told me stop making the ambulance siren noise, beated me up, and ground me.
Classic Caillou told me what? Oh my god! He is going to be so grounded, I'm gonna call my dad. My phone's ringing. We wonder who that could be. Hello, Boris. What's up? Olga's dad, I wanna tell you something. What happened? What is it, Caillou? Dad. Classic Caillou told Caillou stop making the ambulance siren noise, and he's crying in the living room, and the teenage bedroom. What? What? I can't believe Caillou get grounded. Goodbye! And Boris, how dare you give a hug Caillou in the teenage bedroom? That's it, I'm going to fighting and slapping you. Wah! Doris, classic Caillou beated me up.
Boris, how dare you beat up Daddy?
And who caused it was Caillou. I am going to ground him right now. Oh, classic Caillou, how dare you stop making noises. That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded until Easter. Go to your room right now. Washington. Hey.